To integrate Afterpay with Magento, you need to have a basic understanding of both platforms and their requirements. Afterpay is a payment service that allows customers to pay for their purchases in installments, while Magento is an e-commerce platform that enables businesses to create and manage their online stores. First, you need to create an Afterpay merchant account and obtain the necessary API credentials, including the API key and API secret. These credentials will be used to authenticate your Magento store with Afterpay. Next, you need to install the Afterpay Magento extension, which can be downloaded from the Magento Marketplace or the Afterpay website. The extension provides a seamless integration of Afterpay with Magento, allowing customers to select Afterpay as a payment option during checkout. Once the extension is installed, you need to configure the Afterpay settings in your Magento store. This includes entering the API credentials, setting up the payment terms, and customizing the appearance of the Afterpay payment option. To configure the Afterpay settings, go to the Magento admin panel and navigate to the Payment Methods section. Click on the Afterpay payment method and enter the API key and API secret. You also need to set up the payment terms, including the minimum and maximum order values, and the interest rate. After configuring the Afterpay settings, you need to test the integration to ensure that it is working correctly. You can do this by creating a test order and selecting Afterpay as the payment option. If the integration is successful, the customer will be redirected to the Afterpay website to complete the payment. Best practices for Afterpay Magento integration include ensuring that the API credentials are kept secure, and that the payment terms are clearly communicated to the customers. You should also regularly monitor the integration to ensure that it is working correctly and make any necessary updates. In conclusion, integrating Afterpay with Magento is a straightforward process that requires a basic understanding of both platforms and their requirements. By following these steps and best practices, you can provide your customers with a seamless and secure payment experience and increase conversions and sales for your online store.